Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this YouTube video. I'm Sanford Khan, business author, speaker. The title of this video is The Buffett Indicator, the Best Stock Market Barometer, named after Warren Buffett, the Sage of Omaha. Appreciate it at the end of the, or anytime during the video, if you could subscribe to my channel. Appreciate it very much. Anyways, let's get into it. I'll try to keep it short. I hate long videos. Why is this the best single indicator? Well, it's named after Warren Buffett, and he said it's the best single indicator. So let me read exactly what he said. This is a quote from him. The Buffett indicator is probably the best single measure of where valuations stand at any given moment. So what is the Buffett indicator? It's actually very simple. It's total market capitalization of the U.S. market. I'm talking about the U.S. market. Actually, other markets have a similar indicator. But in the U.S. market, it's total market capitalization divided by GDP. That's it. Now, where could you find the Buffett indicator? I told you what it is, and it's the best single indicator of where valuations stand at any given moment. So, where could you find it? So I came up with this little diagram right here. You go to Guru Focus, G-U-R-U Focus, F-O-C-U-S.com. And then you scroll down at the top, you'll see market. Put the cursor on the market, and then you go to U.S. market valuation. That'll show, I think it's on the extreme left. And then you click on Buffett indicator. That's all you have to do. I'll leave it up here for another few seconds. Okay, you have it? You have it? Good. You could always freeze the frame and write this down. So where does the Buffett indicator stand right now as the date of this presentation? It stands at 150.6% of GDP, which means the market is significantly overvalued. According to the Buffett indicator, it's indicating that this will return 2.4% per year, including dividends. As a side note, or as they say in the legal profession, as a sidebar, you're probably better off putting your money into 3-month and or 6-month treasury bills. I think I have a dry throat. Because they yield 4.5% state income tax free, not federal. That's the Buffett indicator. As I said, it's the best single indicator where the market stands at any given point of time. Use it in your portfolio analysis. Can't hurt you. Make it part of your analysis. Anyways, appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel, and much success to you. Remember, in the economic environment we're in and going to stay in, liquidity is king, not Elvis. Take care now, folks.